Here in my cave on the shores of Lake Windigo, I keep many stories. Stories of the strange and weird, of danger and mystery. And if you stay long enough, you might find yourself in the middle of a story with no way out. Oh, but don't be afraid. Pull up a rock. Make yourself comfortable. Are you ready to hear the story of the beast that hated loud noises? Who doesn't love a carnival? The bright lights, the happy music, the smiling faces, the pickpockets and muggers. Or maybe that's just me. I love a carnival, especially this carnival. It's the dead of winter, and the residents of this small northern town have come out in force to rail against the cold and darkness with snow sculptures, a sledding hill, spiked hot chocolate, and general revelry in the time-honored tradition that keeps these people sane in a place where the sun goes down at 3:30 in the afternoon. At the edge of the crowd, two figures hide in the shadows. They're quite a pair, these two. Unshaven, dirty, sullen, huddled together for warmth because those Salvation Army parkas and hand-me-down boots just aren't hacking it. But they aren't here for the warmth. And they aren't here for the carnival. Exactly. They're here for crime.
What time have you got?
I think... I ain't sure.
What do you mean you ain't sure? You got a phone, don't you?
Yeah, but the part of the screen with the clock is pretty badly cracked.
For the love of just... give me that. All right, it's 5:45.
How'd you know?
There's a little clock in the corner, you idiot. Point is, we gotta get moving soon.
What for? Isn't the house we're robbing just down there?
Shh. Don't say robbing out loud like that. We're in a crowd.
I'm sorry, Doug. I always had a big mouth.
Well aware, Carl. Now keep your voice down. You know what to do, right?
Sure. Back door has a window. Break it out. Unlock the door, and in we go. I look for cash and anything we can sell on the first floor.
And I'll go upstairs for that safe.
Yeah. I don't understand the part about the safe.
What's to understand? A lot of rich people have them.
But you said this guy leaves his unlocked?
That's what Remy Sue told me. And I paid her good money for this information, so it better be right.
Well, if Sue said it, I suppose it's okay. But I still don't get it.
It's very simple, Carl. The owner of this place is old. His memory's going, right? He couldn't remember the combination of the safe half the time, so he just leaves it unlocked. Of course, he would never have done that if he didn't have the beast.
Yeah, I don't like that part. You always told me we should never hit a house with a dog, and I hear this is no ordinary dog. So big it can look you right in the eye, with a mouth big enough to grab a man's whole head.
Stories, Carl, just stories. The beast is just a dog, and we know his secret. In about 10 minutes now, they're gonna start the big fireworks display. And Sue told me the beast is completely transformed by fireworks. Hates them, she said. He'll be a quivering mass in the corner, and we'll have the run of the house. Now come on, we've got bills to pay. Okay, the fireworks should start any second.
The house is awfully dark.
Well, that's good for us. What'd I teach you? Never break in through a door that's lit.
Yeah, well, you also teach me never to hit a house with a dog, but that rule's in the toilet.
Would you shut up about the dog already? We got that covered.
What's that?
Neighbor's house. Keep quiet.
Who's out there?
What do we do?
Quiet.
I hear you there. What do you want? Show yourself.
What do we do? What do we do?
Thought I heard something. You there. What are you doing here?
Good evening, ma'am. A little cold this evening, ain't it?
Never mind that. What are you two miscreants doing in Mr. Jones's backyard?
Oh, is this his house? Gee whiz, I was confused. I thought this was mine.
Who are you?
Me? Oh, I'm Mr. Jones's nephew, come for a visit during the carnival. Yeah, I love to visit old Uncle Jones.
Why do you call him that? Why don't you call him by his first name?
Well, you see, I got two uncles with the same first name, so this one's Uncle Jones. I got another uncle on my mother's side, Uncle Smith.
Uh-huh. These two uncles. What's their first name?
Robert.
That's it. I'm calling the cops.
No, you aren't.
What are you doing?
Oh, she's strong. I can't hold her. Hit her.
What?
I said hit her. Jeez. Carl, what did you hit her with?
You told me to find a rock so I can break the window.
That rock? Why'd you get one so big?
I don't know my own strength. Is she okay? Doug, I asked if she's okay.
Let's not worry about that right now.
What's that red stuff in the snow?
Nothing. Don't worry about it.
It's a big red spot, and it's getting bigger.
I said don't worry about it, Carl. Come on, just break the window.
But the fireworks ain't started yet.
I don't care. We gotta get this done and get out of here.
But what about the
Do you hear what I'm telling you, Carl? Let's just go.
All right.
Good. Now reach through and unlock the door.
It's open.
Go ahead.
But what about the beast?
We can't worry about no dog now. Just go. All right. You remember what to do, right?
I look around down here. You go for the safe.
The safe, right. Maybe this will work out after all.
Doug, it's the beast.
I know. Maybe if we just swat his nose with a newspaper.
He didn't like that idea. We need to go.
Hey, the fireworks.
Oh, he's scared.
Yeah, he is. Not so tough now, are you, big guy? Come on, let's get moving.
I kind of feel sorry for him.
It's just like Wormy Sue said, completely transformed by fireworks.
Doug?
Later that night, when Mr. Jones returned to his house, he found poor Mrs. Daniels from next door on his back lawn. The police concluded she must have interrupted a burglar who dispatched her with a rock, poor dear. They found the broken window, the door was ajar, and there was a large amount of blood on Mr. Jones's kitchen floor, but no sign of any burglars, not even a shred. And nothing in the house had been disturbed. When they asked Mr. Jones why he wasn't home on such a cold night, he told them he was down at the park enjoying the fireworks. He always knew to be out of the house when fireworks were on display. His watchdog, he said, turned into an entirely different animal when agitated. This concludes this story of the Winter Warlock. You may return to your own world now, but be sure to mind the lake shore. The drop-off is steep, and you wouldn't want to fall through the ice this time of year. Catch your death. Until next time, wrap yourselves up tight, children. It's cold outside.